Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to connect this mobile phone to TV. I would be showing two methods. Method 1. Go to mobile phone, open settings, tap on the settings app icon, tap on Wi-Fi. Here you can see I have connected this mobile phone to Wi-Fi network named Home Wi-Fi. Let me go to TV, go to settings, select all settings from top right corner, go to network and internet. Here you can see I have connected this TV to same Wi-Fi network Home Wi-Fi. This is very important. We have to connect both mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Then go to mobile phone, open settings, tap on the settings app icon, tap on connection and sharing, tap on screencast, tap on search for display devices. Now this mobile phone is searching for Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Here you can see Google TV. This is the name of this TV. This means this mobile phone has detected Chromecast enabled TV in the same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Tap on this TV name. Tap here. Set entire screen. Tap on start casting. See, it's working. If you want to switch display to full screen in TV, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone, then rotate the phone. That way you would be able to switch display to full screen in TV. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, tap on stop screencast, tap here, done. This is method 1. Method 2. In mobile phone, open Google Play Store, then install this Google Home app. I already installed this Google Home app. Let me open. Tap on this Google Home app icon. Here we need to log in with the Gmail ID and password. I already logged in. Next we need to create home. Tap on this create home button. Here we can enter name for the home. So let me enter home 4. Then save. Here we can set address for the home. Let me skip this. Tap on skip. Tap on continue without address. Now it's looking for devices. Let me cancel this step. Tap on cancel. Now home 4 is ready. Tap on this all devices tab. And under all devices we can find local devices. Below that you can see Google TV. That's the name of this TV. This means this Google Home app has detected Chromecast enabled Google TV in the same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Tap on this TV name. Tap on cast my screen. Tap on cast screen. Tap here. Select entire screen. Tap on start casting. See, it's working. This is method 2. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again open Google Home app. Tap on stop mirroring. Done. These are two methods to connect this mobile phone to TV. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.